Hello, all my cutie pies. Love you all. How are you all? Okay, you all are fine. Now, look at here. What is this? This is oh, do you know this? This is a rain. Very nice. And look here. What is this? This is an umbrella. Right? So at the time of rainy season, we are using umbrella. And do you know? Kids, do you know? Right now, rainy season is going to start. And today you have to learn a wonderful rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Now listen it carefully and you have to do action also. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Now let's sing this rhyme with music.